Leaving what's known as Christchurch Harbour, we use the slib at Muddyford, which is great for sibs, but it can get very shallow for ribs at low tide. We pass Bournemouth quickly, heading for Sandbanks and Poole Harbour. We circumnavigated Poole Harbour, going around Brownsea Island. Towards the west of the island, the water gets very shallow. We'd stopped off at Shell Bay for a spot of lunch, but we were very keen to get going to see Old Harry Rocks. Passing Studland Beach, the chalk formation known as Old Harry Rocks came into view. The name Old Harry refers to the single stack standing furthest out to sea. There was another stack known as Harry's Wife, but erosion caused her to tumble into the sea in 1896, leaving just a small stump. There are a number of theories where Old Harry got its name. It is reputedly named after either a famous local pirate, Harry Pay, or the Devil. The top of the cliff nearby is known as Old Nick's Ground. Old Nick is another name for the Devil. Making our way back, we took the direct route across the bay. In the distance you can see the Needles on the Isle of Wight, which will be our next trip.